Greetings and welcome to another video of World AI News. The impact of artificial intelligence tools and methods on businesses and the worldwide economy is currently a highly discussed subject. This comes as no surprise considering the notable advancements, groundbreaking outcomes, and practical applications of AI, which are already widely prevalent. These developments have sparked discussions about whether AI might introduce profound, perhaps unparalleled transformations in the ways people conduct their lives and professions. Therefore, it's worth delving into how AI will influence the global economy and whether these effects will be beneficial or detrimental. Let's delve into it. Artificial intelligence is swiftly ushering in a new era in the realms of business, corporate practices, and governmental policies. The intelligence exhibited by machines and robots, bolstered by their deep learning capabilities, has brought about substantial disruptions and facilitations across businesses, governments, and society at large. Furthermore, it's exerting a significant influence on broader trends related to global sustainability. As the AI revolution reshapes our world, it holds the potential to lead us into a utopian future characterized by harmonious coexistence between humanity and machines. Conversely, it could steer us toward a dystopian realm marred by conflicts, poverty, and suffering. In the immediate context, will AI accelerate our progress towards achieving the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, or will it propel us further down a path fraught with economic uncertainties, environmental crises, and social unrest? Only time will provide us with the answers. However, as we find ourselves at the precipice of this new era, it is of paramount importance that we grasp the ascent of AI and comprehend its repercussions on our world. Indeed, the ongoing transformation brought by AI heralds the advent of an astonishing chapter in human history. One of the most striking impacts of AI is its capacity to enhance efficiency and productivity. Automation facilitated by AI systems and robots adeptly handles repetitive, monotonous, and perilous tasks, thus liberating human resources to focus on more innovative and strategic endeavors. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing the analysis of vast troves of medical data, leading to advancements such as highly precise surgeries and treatment plans. Likewise, in finance, AI algorithms are being harnessed for investment decisions, fraud detection, and the automation of back-office operations. Proponents of AI emphasize that these technological advancements have the potential to usher in a more efficient and technically advanced society. In this vision, individuals would have increased time and resources to dedicate to higher-level pursuits. They also argue that AI can tackle intricate global issues like climate change and diseases in innovative ways that were previously unattainable. However, opponents of AI express apprehension regarding its impact on employment. They contend that automation will result in widespread job displacement as machines and robots take over roles traditionally held by humans across various industries. This could potentially exacerbate poverty and inequality, with those losing their jobs facing challenges in securing new employment within an already competitive job market. These concerns hold validity. Automation has already displaced workers in numerous industries, and this trend is expected to persist as AI becomes more prevalent. Nevertheless, it's crucial to acknowledge that automation has historically been a catalyst for economic growth, consistently generating fresh employment opportunities alongside the displacement of existing ones. Nonetheless, AI possesses substantial potential to contribute to global economic activities. AI isn't a singular technology, but rather a family of technologies encompassing computer vision, natural language processing, virtual assistants, robotic process automation, and advanced machine learning, among others. Companies are likely to adopt these tools to varying extents. Some may adopt a cautious approach, experimenting with a single technology in a specific function, while others may take a more comprehensive approach, incorporating all 5 categories across their entire organization. The former can be described as an adoption, while the latter as full integration. According to surveys by 2030, simulations suggest that around 70% of companies may have adopted at least one type of AI technology, yet less than half may have fully integrated all 5 categories. The pace of AI adoption and full integration could be relatively swift, potentially at the higher end of what we have seen with previous technologies. However, there are several barriers that might hinder rapid adoption. Late adopters could struggle to harness the benefits of AI since the early adopters have already seized AI opportunities, leaving them behind in terms of capability development and talent acquisition. Nevertheless, at an average level of adoption, AI has the potential to generate global economic activity of approximately $13 trillion worldwide by 2030. This would have been roughly 16% higher in cumulative GDP compared to the present day, equating to around 1.2% additional annual GDP growth. If this impact is realized, it would be a significant achievement comparable to the influence of other transformative technologies throughout history. For instance, the introduction of steam engines in the 1800s boosted labor productivity by approximately 0.3% per year. The impact of robots in the 1990s was around 0.4%, and the spread of information technology (IT) in the 2000s contributed to around 0.6%. Nonetheless, the economic impact of AI may manifest gradually and become evident only over time. It might not follow a linear trajectory, but instead accumulate momentum, accelerating its contribution to growth. By 2030, AI's role in driving growth could be 3 or more times greater than it is in the next 5 years. And AI is becoming increasingly prevalent in various aspects of our lives, often subtly. While high-profile AI use cases like DALL-E 2 and ChatGPT garner attention, it's the more everyday applications that are poised to reshape the way we work, especially in the business world. Here are some examples of AI in business. Recommendation algorithms. Many recommendation algorithms, a subset of AI, are built using machine learning. Netflix, for instance, extensively employs machine learning to suggest content to its users. Amazon relies on AI-driven recommendation algorithms to recommend products. Even Google Search incorporates AI components to deliver more relevant search results. These AI systems work in the background, enhancing user experiences. Cybersecurity and fraud detection. Machine learning plays a crucial role in cybersecurity and fraud detection. These AI-based systems analyze vast amounts of data to identify unusual patterns and swiftly respond to potential security threats. They are instrumental in safeguarding against breaches and fraudulent activities such as credit card theft. AI meeting schedulers. AI-powered meeting schedulers automate the process of booking meetings and appointments based on your preferences and routines. Whether you need specific time slots or breaks between meetings, these AI schedulers can adapt dynamically as people request your time. They also learn from your habits, predicting the most suitable times for scheduling meetings. These are just some of the evident applications of artificial intelligence in the business realm. AI can optimize work rotations, prioritize clients, handle expenses, and countless other tasks. The potential applications of AI in business are virtually limitless and will likely continue to expand. However, concerns persist regarding AI's impact on jobs and livelihoods, as mentioned above. Some fear that AI could lead to job displacement across various sectors, as exemplified by the concerns of Hollywood actors facing potential redundancy due to AI-generated duplicates. These concerns are rooted in historical patterns, where technological advancements have brought about uncertain economic impacts, inequalities, and sometimes adverse consequences. In a recent book authored by Johnson and MIT economist Darren Acemoglu, they conducted an extensive survey spanning a millennium of technological advancements, from the advent of the plow to the introduction of automated self-checkout kiosks. The research aimed to assess the success of these technologies in terms of job creation and wealth distribution. Their findings unveiled the complex historical narrative. For instance, the spinning jenny, a pivotal innovation in automating the textile industry during the 18th century, paradoxically resulted in longer working hours and harsher working conditions for many. Similarly, the invention of mechanical cotton gins in the 19th century played a role in the expansion of slavery in the American South. The internet, a transformative technology of our era, presents a mixed record. It undeniably spawned new job roles, yet a significant portion of the generated wealth has concentrated in the hands of a select few billionaires. Moreover, the initial productivity gains attributed to the internet have decelerated in many economies. Recent research from the French bank Natixis suggests that this deceleration might be due to the fact that even a technology as pervasive as the internet left many sectors largely unaffected, and many of the jobs it created were low-skilled in nature. Furthermore, it's widely anticipated that artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, big data, and advanced networks will revolutionize production processes. However, their impact on developing economies could be profound. The opportunities and sources of growth that countries like the United States and China experienced during their early stages of economic development are markedly different from the challenges faced by nations like Cambodia and Tanzania in today's world. AI has the potential to widen the economic gap further between rich and poor countries by directing more investments toward advanced economies where automation is already deeply integrated. This shift could have detrimental effects on employment in developing nations, as AI might replace rather than complement their expanding labor forces, which have traditionally been an advantage for less developed economies. To mitigate this growing disparity, policymakers in developing countries will need to implement measures aimed at enhancing productivity and upskilling their workforce. As the ascent of AI continues, it's akin to a double-edged sword, offering both opportunities and challenges. As we actively shape the future of the age of AI, it is imperative to carefully consider both its potential benefits and drawbacks. A responsible and ethical approach to AI's development and deployment is crucial. The future is unfolding before us, and the choices we make regarding AI's role in our lives will leave a profound impact on the trajectory of humanity. The pivotal question is whether AI will exacerbate existing inequalities or if it can potentially contribute to a more equitable future. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the notification bell. Thank you for tuning in.